Hello peoples, welcome back to my channel. It's Sandy and I'm back with another video. I'm back after like 10 to 12 days for a long format. My channel I'm not really consistent. ये मैं every video में बोलती हूँ, इस video में भी बोलूँगी obviously, but I'm trying my level best. Please do believe me. And actually I got some comments in my videos that I should use like a mic, and I should also improve on my thumbnails, so I'll try to do that obviously. So if you guys can comment and suggest some good mics, affordable and cheap mics, like a Bluetooth which I can use with my phone, so it would be really helpful. I'll try to do some innovative work on my thumbnails as well. So let's see what I'll do. So today I am actually back with a story time video. So I thought I'll do a story time because I haven't done this for a while, and I thought कि चलो थोड़ा different कुछ करते हैं. बहुत like last some videos I did opinion videos and rant videos. So I thought कि चलो story time में जाते हैं and let's see what the response is, if you guys are interested in my story time or not. So this story time is actually back when I think it was in 23 or 22, I don't remember, but it was like 22 23, I think 22, most probably it was 22. And at that point of time I was really going through a lot. On the detail में मैं नहीं जाऊँगी, but a particular incident which happened, and like अगर कुछ भी इधर से उधर होता तो मेरे साथ बहुत खराब हो जाता. Like every girl's nightmare, that could have been my nightmare, and like it could have been true. So what happened, so after my office on this particular day I was going through a really tough time, and मुझे अकेला रहना बहुत पसंद है. I really like staying alone. I go to movies alone, I go out to eat alone. Like whenever I'm not doing anything, और अगर मुझे घर में उतना रहने, like if I'm not working or if I'm not like doing anything, and I don't really like to stay at home. So what I do, I go to cafe and I be by myself and I watch series or I read a book. So I do this. मतलब अगर मुझे तुम अकेला छोड़ दोगे तो like I'll be the happiest person in the world. So that is how I work, like how I function. So मुझे like I was going through something and I did something which I was regretting, and so I thought कि I'll just go by myself and I'll just have a drink by myself. अभी I think on that particular day I did not eat anything because I was obviously, जब मुझे stress होता है and जब कुछ situations होता है तो I really don't eat anything. वो like बहुत bad habit है मेरा. मैं भूल जाती हूँ कि मुझे खाना है, मुझे पीना है and all. तो obviously that happened. I did not eat anything. After office I went to this particular place, मैं नाम नहीं लूँगी. So it was like a restaurant with drinks. Obviously you can get drinks and stuff. So I went there and I did not eat anything. I had empty stomach and I had something to drink. I don't really remember what I drank, to be honest. It was like 4 years back. I really don't remember. I think I had a beer, and then after that I think I had something else. So to drink responsibly, I'm like, disclaimer, please don't be irresponsible while you are drinking. Abhi to I don't drink at all. Like I am not into drinking anymore, but yeah, like whenever I drink, I drink occasionally and I try to drink responsibly. So do try to follow that. And so I drank and something happened and something triggered. Obviously I was going through a lot and a lot of things were happening and I don't know what happened, and I actually started crying, and I was alone and I started crying, and everyone was there and everyone was looking at me. Like I was crying inconsolably. Like you don't even have any idea. Like I was having a total breakdown. So okay, so obviously, and I will be very thankful because वहाँ का staff ना बहुत अच्छा था. Like I think they have like particular people or particular staff who can handle these kind of situations. So one person came and that person sat next to me, and like he started consoling me what happened, and I was like crying and I don't even know, like I just lost it. मतलब मैं ऐसी टाइप की नहीं हूँ जहाँ I will start crying, or like I thought I was having this like mental breakdown. मतलब क्या हो रहा था I really don't know, but yeah, I was crying, I was having this mental breakdown. And मतलब वहाँ that person was trying to console me and everything. So उसके बाद there two other female, they also came to help like what happened. And I was sitting there and everything they were trying to, and I was trying to contact one of my friend, I think one of my like colleague, like if she can come and she can get me, like they were trying like if you can call someone or something like that was happening. उस सिचुएशन में आई वॉज लाइक, एंड माइंड यू इट वॉज लाइक द restaurant was inside of a mall, and it was a crowded place, and it was a weekday, it was not even a weekend. So it was crowded, it was not like decent crowd, not बहुत सादा crowd, but decent crowd था. And obviously I was there, like obviously like वो person was trying to console me, those two female were also trying to, like they were very nice people, I must say they were very nice people. And for them actually I was able to get out of the situation. I'll like मतलब उस टाइम में ना, like it actually did not hit me, like but after that it did, and I am like wow. And so like I was crying, and then a group of guys came, like I think 3 to 4 guys were there, and they said, they came and they said like she's with us. They said that she's with us, and it was, and उस टाइम में I did not have any sense, but मतलब मुझे उतना तो सेंस था कि I was there alone, I was trying to contact my friend and all, ये मुझे सेंस था. And they मतलब outrightly उन तीनों के सामने they said that she's with us, and I'm like मतलब not I'm like वो तो बाद में मुझे हिट हुआ. And these three, they asked me, are you with them? And I said no, I am not with them. Can you imagine? These 4 guys came in, जहाँ like it's a reputed restaurant, like पूरा जगह है, like मतलब people are there, 3 people are with me, and like मतलब crowded है, and these guys had the audacity to come and lie in front of these people. You cannot even imagine. अगर मैं मतलब कुछ हो जाता and I said yes and I would have just gone with them, मतलब मेरे साथ क्या हो सकता था. You guys can imagine. I have faced this. I literally have faced this. मतलब, and these guys were young guys. It is not even like मतलब I think they were in college or something. I don't उतना तो मुझे remember, but I am thinking मतलब what, मतलब इन लोगों का कोई मतलब I cannot like I am actually not able to like जो मेरे mind में है, I am not able to construct those like things in words. It's like utter disbelief. Like इन लोगों के सामने they are lying and they are saying that she is with us, and it was horrendous. मैं जब मतलब बाद में मैं जब सोचती हूँ या फिर आज भी जब सोचती हूँ, it is like oh my god. So yeah, this actually happened with me, but उसके बाद like obviously they said कि she is not with you, and they left. And after that my friend came and she took me and stuff. It happened. So I just wanted to share this story because I was very young at that point of time, and I did not make very right choices, obviously. Like I was still learning, I'm still learning obviously. And हो सकता है कमेंट्स में बहुत सारे लोग बोले इट इज़ योर फॉल्ट दैट यू वेंट देयर अलोन एंड यू वर ड्रंक एंड एवरीथिंग. हो सकता है मेरी गलती भी हो सकता है, एंड आई मे बी लाइक आई विल नॉट से दैट आई वाज राइट इन द होल सिचुएशन. मैंने पूरा पूरा बैकग्राउंड ऑब्वियसली आई डोंट वांट टू उतना मुझे देना नहीं है. आई जस्ट वांट टू से कि ये सिचुएशन एवरी वुमन, एवरी गर्ल हैज़ फेस्ड. एंड कैन यू इमेजिन लाइक अगर मैं चली जाती तो मेरे साथ जो मतलब नाइटमेयर एवरी गर्ल गोज थ्रू, जिनके साथ ये सब हुआ है, मतलब वो मेरे साथ हो सकता था. एंड इट just baffles me. And these guys had the audacity to do this in like public view, मतलब झूठ बोलना. And they did it intentionally. They actually did it intentionally, and they thought that they will get away with it. But obviously I will say I was lucky that these 3 people were there. They were very nice, and I hope that जो जहाँ भी है वो लोग आ जाते, आर फाइन, दे आर ओके. एंड आई जस्ट होप कि ऐसे लोग, मतलब ये जो लोग होते हैं जो ऐसे एडवांटेज लाइक सिचुएशन का एडवांटेज लेना चाहते हैं, उनके पास भी कोई ऐसे लोग हो जो उनको प्रोटेक्ट करे. आई वॉज लकी दैट आई वॉज एबल टू गेट आउट ऑफ दैट सिचुएशन, बट इट जस्ट वाओ, इट जस्ट wonders me, to be honest. मतलब आज भी मैं जब सोचती हूँ ना, it like it hits me. And I thought कि मैं ये स्टोरी अपना like सी स्टोरी टाइम शेयर करूँ, because I just want to aware, I just want to make sure and aware you guys like about the girls and the women to be careful, to be mindful, because जो भी है अब सोसाइटी तो ऐसा ही है, जितना भी लड़ लो, at the end of the day you will be criticized, you are the victim. तुमको बोला जाएगा तुम क्यों गई थी, why were you there alone, why were you drinking alone and stuff. तो obviously question उठाया जाएगा तुम पर ही. So just be careful, just be very aware of your situation wherever you are, and try to make uh, right decisions. मेरी तरह ऐसा भद्दा भद्दा डिसीजन मत लेना. And just to give my side of the situation, I just wanted to share this story time. And like I know like बहुत सारे women और girls होंगे जो ऐसे situations से गुजरे होंगे. So if you have the similar kind of situation, do let me know in the comments what are your thoughts about the situation, and I'll try to be more consistent with my videos. And if you like this video, do like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.